Hey guys, assalamualaikum. My name is Raquel Altia and welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rabbit meat plus couscous. Yes, you heard me right, rabbit meat. Guys, this meat is so tasty. So without further any ado, let's dive into this video. So the first thing that I did, I just marinated my rabbit with just few spices, but if you want to add extra, just go ahead. Personally, I went and put some garlic, ginger, and some black pepper with some lemon to just remove the smell, and a bit of paprika. Then I marinated it for at least 30 minutes. Then now I'm coming to cook the rabbit. In a big sufuria or a pot, you're going to put some oil and let the oil to become super hot. Then you're going to dip in the rabbit and then cover and let the rabbit to cook until it's nicely cooked. Until you get this nice golden brown color like this, then your rabbit will be ready. It took me approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Using the same sufuria, you're going to add extra oil. Then you're going to put some onions, enough onions, and then I also added with potatoes, which I've sliced them into small pieces, as you can able to see in the video, and cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're going to add some tomato paste, the smaller can, approximately 2 tablespoons of tomato paste with a bit of water, then stir. Then you're going to dip in your cooked rabbit, then mix it properly. Then afterwards, you're going to add your vegetables, any vegetables of your choice. Just go ahead and dip them in and mix everything well and let the stew to cook until everything is nicely cooked, approximately 7 to 10 minutes, and then your stew should be ready. This year, guys, it's a year of eating healthy, guys. So today I'm going to make couscous instead of rice. But if you're not planning to lose a lot of weight, just go ahead and just use the normal rice. But personally today, I'm going to use some couscous. So if it's your first time to make couscous, then this video is right for you. You're going to add some couscous, just a bit. Then you're going to sprinkle some salt. And then you're going to add some curry, just a little bit, to add an extra taste to this couscous. And then lastly, you're going to drizzle, like not to drizzle, you're going to pour approximately 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Yes, you heard me, it's olive oil. We are using everything healthy. Then using your clean hands, you're going to mix everything well, like until everything is nicely mixed. Then afterwards, you're going to pour some hot water until you can able to cover the couscous completely. Then using a cling foil, you're going to cover it and let the couscous to rest for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Within those 15 to 20 minutes, the couscous will automatically absorb the water and the couscous should be ready, and the stew is as well ready, and it's high time to serve our dish. You're going to open your couscous slowly, and then you're going to mix the couscous. As you can able to see, the water has been nicely absorbed with the couscous. And then take your plate and then serve the couscous, and then you're going to pour the rabbit meat, or if you have your rice, you're going to pour the rice on top, and that's the way you eat this dish, guys. You know the way the sungura, the rabbit's taste, it's basically the taste, it tastes the same way as you're eating the kienyeji chicken. Like, this food was so tasty. Save it, guys, so you can able to try out this recipe. And if you're going to try out, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly do subscribe so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. And thank you so much, and see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.